morning. I'm Global Marketing Director Mitch Faustino of Lifestyles. Today, I'll be sharing with you the 3 phenomenal products of Lifestyles. As you can see, the next screen, this is our renowned botanical drink, the Intra. This is very unique and it have a very pleasant tasting drink. And it's also available in a capsule form. So anong ginagawa ng Intra natin? It boosts immune system, support healthy heart, increases energy, and cleanses your body from toxins. This is safe for all ages, pass the test of time for safety and efficacy. Ibig sabihin, lahat po pwede uminom, baby, buntis, so wala po siyang requirement, no? So it is certified for safe for athletic use kasi wala po itong any contents of steroids or stimulants. So ang maganda dito sa sa Intra, perfect product po ito wherein it support the 8 biological system of our body. Ano-ano ba yung mga 8 biological system natin? The cardiovascular system. So lahat po ng mga problem mo about sa puso, pwede niya pong matulungan. Like po sa mga marami natulungan na po sa lifestyle sa amin. So it's also support the digestive and energy. Kung mahina yung energy mo, tataas ang energy mo dito. Of course, antioxidant, babata yung itsura mo, 10 years ang pagbata mo dito or more. And then the endocrine support, immune supporter. Napakahalaga po nito kasi yung po natin, yung body natin, meron po yung naturalesa. Kapag uminom ka ng product na to, it boosts your immune system. It also has reproductive support, yung mga may problema sa reproductive system, like may dysmenorrhea, amenorrhea, and so on, natutulungan po nito. Also, sinusupport din po niya yung structural, muscle, kung may mga problem ka sa muscle, yon. And then yung mga arthritis, yung mga sa skeletal system natin, sinusupport din po niya ito. And as you can see, we have the other products, no? Meron po tayong very napakagandang product rin. This is what we call Nutria Plus. So, ano ba yung ginagawa ng Nutria Plus natin? It contains the concentrated antioxidant supplement containing combination of unique, synergistic, natural ingredients. So yung ingredients nito, yung 12, nagtutulong-tulungan siya para makuha yung pinakamataas na antioxidant support ng ating katawan. It also prevent abnormal cell growth, yung mga bukol-bukol sa katawan natin, natutulungan po niya, naaayos po niya. It also reduces the inflammation, yung pamamaga po sa ating katawan, sa loob ng ating katawan. Ito po ay yung mga root cause ng mga maraming sakit. So ito po yung nagagawa ng Nutria natin. It also protect from environmental pollution such as yung UV rays. So napoprotect po tayo doon. It also has Seleno Excel. Meron po itong Seleno Excel na panglaban po talaga sa cancer. So, the next product natin, the last product natin is Fiber Life. So, ano naman tong Fiber Life na to? It's a very unique soluble plant fiber with the highest viscosity of any fiber tested in the market. Ang napakaganda po ng tinatawag nating viscosity nito, no? It absorbs water quickly and continuously as easy as ABC. So, ano ba tong ABC na to? A for appetite control. Kung gusto mo mag-lose weight, ang purpose mo, just take two capsules of Nutria and 2 glasses of water. So, before meal, so magwi-weight loss ka dito. And also B for blood sugar level control, para hindi ka po magkaroon ng diabetes, hindi mo na ma-develop yung sakit na yon. And also cholesterol control, no? So para hindi ka na rin magkaroon ng heart disease, yung mga bad cholesterol po ay tinatanggal nitong Fiber Life natin, ina-absorb niya at tapos ini-eliminate po sa katawan natin through a natural process. So when you take Fiber Life, dapat po marami yung tubig mong iti-take, taken with plenty of water. Fiber Life forms a gel-like complex of natural fiber po. So at the same time, nililinis po niya ang ating stomach. no, kung saan nandun talaga yung pinanggagalingan ng maraming sakit. So, ito lang po yung tatlong products ng lifestyle. Sana po marami kayong nakuha at natutunan. Yan lang po. Thank you and good morning.